Hi, my name is Elaine Wang, the founder of Fertility Fit Kit, a mind-body wellness course designed for women undergoing the IVF and egg freezing journey. I've spent nearly 2 decades in public education teaching stress management, yoga, dance, health and healing, and the last several years working directly with patients dealing with infertility and going through IVF treatment. So, how did this course come about? Well, when I was 38, I went through an egg freezing cycle. And although egg freezing and IVF is often glamorized by the media, I can tell you that it was really, really stressful for me, emotionally, mentally, physically, and financially. I also remember at that time sitting in the clinic waiting room talking to a mother who was waiting for her daughter, who's going through her second round of egg freezing because her first had been unsuccessful. She shared with me just how alone and vulnerable her daughter felt. Being single, the extra pressure she felt because of her age, the fact that her younger sister and friends already had kids, as well as her enormous financial sacrifice, as she had decided to spend what would have been part of a future down payment on a house in exchange for just the possibility of children in the near future. It was then when I realized just how much help and support we all need to be able to cope with the very unique stress that comes along with IVF and egg freezing. During my own treatment, I was able to pull on tools and knowledge I had back then as a yoga, dance, tai chi, and qigong instructor to help me cope with that stress. And these mind-body practices were really a lifeline for me to be able to find any sort of peace and calm in the midst of so much unknown. And now, more than 4 years later, I've gained a very unique perspective and insight into the fertility process, as I'm not only a wellness coach at a fertility clinic now, but I've returned back as an IVF patient myself. I've had the privilege of walking many, many women through their fertility treatments, and I've seen firsthand how the tools I used during my own experience have been enormously helpful to them. So I created this course, which is a gathering of my most helpful practices while going through treatment, and I'm really, really excited to share them with you. I want to congratulate you on having the courage to pursue your dreams of growing your family, and I look forward to guiding and supporting you through your fertility journey. Thank you.